Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this non-VIP orange shoes. So you do need a few important items. You do need these shoes from the quest, as well as the Mandaka Magic Girl, whatever you want to call them, heels. You're going to color the first one the color of leaves, of the orange leaves. The second one, I'm just going to color the lace orange, and then I'm just going to color the rest orange, as you can see. Then on the other shoe, you're going to color the first color the color of your skin tone, and then you're going to color the rest in orange, like so, for the oranges, as you can see. But that is pretty much it, really. You'll see that you've created a really cute shoes. I used to layer it with these shoes, but since they reworked it, it just looks really weird. It looks like it is on top of it, so it looks super weird. So I suggest just layering these two shoes to create an orange / tangerine, whatever that is, inspired shoes. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!